In the world of autonomous systems, the ability to see and understand the world in 3 dimensions is paramount. This is not sight as we know it, but a precise map of light and distance. This is the unseen assembly of a modern LiDAR scanner. Every autonomous system begins with its foundational structure. First, we secure the main control board, the scanner's brain. This PCB houses the powerful processors and algorithms that will transform billions of data points into a coherent, navigable map. Next, we integrate the core components for sensing, the laser emitter and receiver array. The emitter sends out billions of light pulses per second, while the sensitive receiver captures the reflected photons, measuring the time it took for the light to return. Now for the scanning mechanism. A high-speed, precision-engineered mirror is placed at the heart of the system. This mirror rotates rapidly, directing the laser pulses in a full 360-degree sweep, allowing for comprehensive environmental scanning. With the core technology in place, we add the supporting modules. An inertial measurement unit is installed to precisely track the scanner's own movement. This data is critical for accurate mapping, ensuring every point is placed correctly in 3D space. The final details. The protective housing is sealed, safeguarding the delicate optics. We power on the system, and with the laser firing, a perfect digital representation of the world appears. A testament to invisible light, precise measurement, and intelligent design. The assembly is complete. The future of sight is here. We've built a machine that sees in 3 dimensions. If you want to see more technology that powers our world, like and subscribe for more unseen assembly videos.